Welcome to the Compliance Essentials series presented by Compliance Nexus. If you're operating a regulated business in the UAE, you've almost certainly come across the term anti-money laundering. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself what it actually means and, more importantly, why it has become one of the highest priorities for regulators across the world? Many organizations think anti-money laundering is simply about meeting regulatory requirements. In reality, it is much bigger than that. Anti-money laundering is the framework of laws, regulations, policies, and controls designed to prevent criminals from using legitimate businesses to disguise the proceeds of illegal activities. Its purpose is to protect the financial system from abuse and ensure that businesses operate with integrity, transparency, and accountability. Financial crime doesn't only affect banks, it can impact exchange houses, money service businesses, fintech companies, virtual asset service providers, real estate businesses, and many other regulated sectors. That's why anti-money laundering has become a shared responsibility across today's financial ecosystem. So why is this particularly important in the UAE? The UAE is one of the world's leading financial and commercial hubs, connecting businesses and investors from across the globe. Maintaining the integrity of this financial ecosystem is essential for economic growth, international confidence, and sustainable investment. Over the years, the UAE has continued to strengthen its anti-money laundering framework by enhancing regulatory expectations, improving supervision, and aligning with international standards. Today, regulators expect businesses not only to comply with the law, but also to understand the risks associated with their operations and implement effective controls to manage those risks. This reflects an important shift in the way compliance is viewed. Compliance is no longer just about having policies and procedures in place. It is about creating a culture where financial crime risks are identified, understood, and managed as part of everyday business operations. This is why every regulated business should view anti-money laundering as a business responsibility rather than simply a regulatory obligation. At Compliance Nexus, we believe effective compliance starts with understanding. Before organizations invest in systems, develop policies, or implement controls, they must first understand why anti-money laundering exists and what regulators expect from a modern compliance program. That understanding forms the foundation for every successful compliance framework. Thank you for joining us for the first episode of the Compliance Essentials series.